Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inserting your HDFC debit card and entering the PIN. This authenticates you. Once done, choose your preferred language and look for service requests or other services. Make sure your registered mobile number is active because the bank confirms requests via SMS. If prompted, select Checkbook Request from the list. Some ATMs show it under Account Services. Proceed immediately after the menu appears so the ATM session does not time out and you retain control of the process. You now pick the account, savings or current, because checkbooks are account-specific. After selecting, choose leaf count, usually 25 or 50. The choice affects processing time and delivery handling. Next, verify the delivery address shown on screen. The ATM fetches the registered address, so make sure it's correct. If a branch pickup option appears and you prefer faster collection, select it. Confirm all details and press Submit. The ATM will send a request to the bank for processing, and you'll receive an SMS confirmation. You complete the process when the ATM displays a confirmation and generates a reference number. Write it down or photograph the screen. Once done, track the request through the HDFC mobile app, net banking under Requests, or by calling customer care if the status stalls. If you don't receive an SMS or receipt, make sure your mobile number is correct and try another ATM or visit your branch directly. This resolves most failures. As a tip, keep the reference number handy when speaking to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.